Hey guys, we're back in the kitchen with Dan. How's my hair? So yeah, this video is going to be real quick, so I'm not going to take too much of your time. I'm going to cook something. I haven't done these in a while. I'm going to show you me cooking something. It doesn't take very long. It's pretty low calorie as usual, and it's weird as hell as usual. Some people think outside of the box, and then there's me. I'm so far out the box I can't even see the box. So yeah, check it out. So this thing here apparently is a celeriac. So it says on the instructions that I've got to take this tough outer skin off using a sharp knife. So I'm probably going to need an adult to do that, someone sensible. Mom! Mom! No, just kidding. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I think that's it, all peeled. Now what you could do if you wanted to is you could then chop this up into chips or fries and then just bake it in the oven like you would as if it was potato, and there you have a super low calorie alternative. But we're going to do something different here. Right, nothing remarkable here, but I've managed to chop it up into just rough chunks, and I've managed to keep all my fingers in the process of it. Are you impressed? So now you might guess what we're doing with this if we're not baking it. Just shoving all of that into the pan. I've boiled the kettle, so I've already got boiling water ready to go. Just gonna chuck that all in. Right. Hog, kettle, boiling water. Okay, and I've got my timer here. I've set for 20 minutes. We're just going to leave that to it and then check on it in a bit. Okay, at this point I should mention, don't just stand there looking at the pan for 20 minutes. Go do something productive. I don't know, read a book, get a mental sweat going, get a real sweat going, do some squats or some burpees or something, do some shadow boxing in the kitchen, or go maybe have a really nice long poo. But yeah, make use of the time. Right, here we are. It's boiled for 20 minutes. It's finished. All I've done is take it out of the water, put it in this bowl. You can guess what comes next. I'm just going to mash it up as I would mashed potato. Right, so we've mashed up our celeriac. So now you could have it as you would mashed potato. So you could put some gravy on. There's instant gravy here. This one's low salt too. It's pretty low calorie. Put some mustard on, low calorie. We've got some special ketchup here. This one's low calorie. It's no added sugar or salt. You could even put, I don't know, you put vinegar on if you want, I don't know. But I'm going to get a little weird here. I'm going to turn this into some kind of dessert. I have cinnamon, I have stevia, which is a natural sweetener. Again, it's almost 0 calorie. I've then got some no added sugar squash. So yep, I'm gonna mix all these three in with that. Let it cool down for a bit, and that is gonna be my snack. Give it a go, or just have it like mashed potato. Either way, thank you for watching.